Good morning, traders. We are live. Market is open. It is 9:31 in the morning. Looks like we have an amazing start tomorrow. Hope you guys are all having a great day. Today is October 28th, 2024. 7:31 my time, 9:30 Eastern time. Mara pushing up very nicely from those lows of 1680 due to Bitcoin pushing up, which actually pushed up very nice from the close on Friday. QQQ as far as the overall markets go this morning, showing signs of selling pressure. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, very huge signs of selling pressure. We knew this was going to happen as the markets are overbought, testing that resistance there about 500, 499, and is now selling off. Now do remember, this is an earnings week, a very important earnings week this week. Today is Monday, so there'll be Philips, Arcadia, all reporting this morning, and then tonight after hours, Ford, Waste Management for today. Now the big one is going to be Wednesday. This is going to be a key area. Wednesday and even tomorrow, Tuesday and Thursday. So we have a very, very packed week of earnings. Again, because the market is so overbought, this may bounce back a little bit, but if it's a hot market and everything comes out good, it could continue to rise back to 504 potentially or higher. Now yesterday in the Sunday night stock talk, we went over quite a few companies. UPXI. Let's go 5 minute here. UPXI is actually pushing up. PXDT, some of these pre-market gainers were AMIX. Very nice push from 7 to 21. That would have been nice to be a part of right at 6 o'clock. HCTI, PXDT wanting to push but doesn't want to actually go up. Now during market, AMIX suspended. EVOK, free flow 705,000, 12 million free flow. Positive study for nasal spray. This one might be the way to go too. Interesting. Okay, so some of the companies we called out yesterday was AMI on yesterday's stock talk was UPXI. Looks like it's trying to push up slightly. PXDT, MSTR, very nice. Now this is correlated to Bitcoin. And you know what? I didn't even share my link. So let me get my link spread around. Totally just spaced it. I do that quite often. I do space out on sharing my link with the groups. So here we go. Spread that real quick and we'll get back to it. There we go. SOBR, OCGN, INTC pushing up very nicely. VRAX not doing much. Tesla bouncing off of that moving average. AMD trying to push. BMEA, now this did push up from yesterday, 1180 to 1258. Also very nice. After hours, just been selling off since. QS selling off. And Mara and XPEB. XPEB is pushing up very nicely. Oh yeah. To some new highs. I'm gonna buy a few shares of XPEV. This has a nice chance of it going up to 1433. Doesn't mean it has to, but it can. For a nice 3 to almost let's see, 1190. A good $3 to $4 profit if you're buying in this $10 area. Now, when I bought this, I did sell. I did make a few bucks and noticed that it was selling off. Just got out of my position, waited for confirmation. I should have actually bought on Friday or even Thursday at that initial bounce at 1053. We'd already be up over $1.50 or $1.30 right now. That's okay. I'm gonna buy in now. Looks like we can potentially move up to $13, $14. That'd be great. Make $2-3 per share. Not too bad at all. XPEV. Crypto still pushing higher. Actually, it's selling off right now. It's going to touch this 200-day or this moving average here. Let's see what happens. Can we get to newer highs? Or is that where it's going to top out and start to sell off? It's at $18 right now, guys. Mara. So we're in the green. Pretty good amount. Up 5% on our position. Good morning, good morning. Hello, Angelo. How you doing? Looks like it's going to bounce right off of 18. See that retest right there from 17 to 1825. Came back down to retest 18 right here. That did hold as a strong support. Now it's pushing back up to 1825. Up 5% currently on my on my swing trade I held over the weekend. There we go. Bitcoin is pushing up. $5. 5% on 1,000 is $50. We got like $200 on this position. 5% already. Sorry, guys. Sorry. NVIDIA having trouble here this morning, selling off, but actually trying to find that support at 141, which was a previous resistance. Now a potential support here on NVDA. NVDA pushing up. DJT pushed off of that SMA line this morning from 41 to 45. Getting a retest here. There goes DJT. Now TQQQ just selling off within this channel. This may be a good opportunity to buy from 75 to 76. It is only a dollar opportunity. LUNR is pushing up. It's actually now bullish. It is now bullish. LUNR. They're definitely oversold as far as the market goes. LUNR just broke my alert. It's going to start pushing up from $8 to potentially $9, so could be a good trade there. Oh, looks like we missed it from 8 to 820. That was a nice move right there. LUNR. LUNR, Mara, and what was the other one that I picked? XPEV. Intel retesting, also breaking above that resistance 2290, gonna come back down, test that as a support level. NVIDIA, there we go, breaking, it's bouncing right off of that support level. Very clean, very clean. See what happens. It pushes down. Looks like it's going to break that support level. Oh, maybe not. Let's see. Getting a retest. Oh, CGN just pushed up past $1. That's crazy. That hasn't happened either. This is the first time of this happening. Oh, CGN pushing up. XPEV with the retest. Very nice. Perfectly right off of that retest. 1175 to 1188. LUNR. Love to get into LUNR. TQQQ bouncing off. Now this is a good way that you can play off of the NASDAQ if you feel like, you know, you can't afford QQQ at almost $500. You could trade TQQQ just the same. There it goes, pushing up. Where's Tesla at? Tesla trying to retest the EMA. XPEP pushing up. Mara retesting. Now retesting 1827. Let's see if we can get it. And I do believe MARA could go up to $19. Oh yeah, this is about to get up to last Friday's highs, or it actually surpassed Friday's highs. Last Friday, it already surpassed it. Now Mara trading last Friday, it should already be up here at $18.92 or $19. So the sentiment is a bit delayed today. You know, Bitcoin is pushing to highs. It's at 69,200, and Mara's having a little bit of a difficulty catching up. Now we are up almost 6% on our position. Nvidia not able to move up any higher. It tested this support. It held support for a moment, came back down, went back up to test the EMA. Couldn't break above the EMA, so this is acting as a resistance, showcasing a downward trend right now. So this is very bearish this morning. Very bearish. The market's bearish, whereas Bitcoin is bullish. So very interesting to see. Intel with a nice bounce and retest. Should see some new highs with that. Tesla selling off. AMD testing that 200-day moving average. If it passes this 200-day moving average, then we can see this skyrocket, but it looks like it got rejected just now. And doesn't look like it's going to be able to. BMEA pushing up. Already up 4%. XPEV pushing up. I knew it would. Mara, there it goes. Breaking 829. We got a 15,000 share seller at 1830. And another one at 1844. HCTI pushed up very nicely. This is interesting, this little curl. GMM, TWG, GLU. GLU's looking nice too. That bounce off of 6 to 7. It's $100 right there from 6 to 7. So XPEB and Mara look almost the exact same, right? They must be investing in Bitcoin too. Okay, another retest. Looks like we're actually going to be starting to show signs of a possible sell-off here. Big sell-off. But let's see if it holds and starts creating new greens, making new highs, or is this going to continue to sell off? Looks like it's going to retest that previous resistance. Does it hold that retest? It looks like it's rejecting. We're going to go ahead and reduce our position size. Still up 5%. I know 1830 is a big wall. 1807. Come on. Gonna come back and test the 200-day moving average. Let's see what happens. If it stays bullish on this 200-day moving average, that'd be great. I just mean Mars is gonna push up even more. We're gonna add a couple more shares to our position here on this little bounce. $250 up 4%. There it goes, pushing up. Nice, tested that support very nicely. And here we go, back up. Looks like 362 is going to be one of those weird walls. There we go. Got to break through that 324 wall. Looks like there's a lot of consolidation up here. Doesn't look like it's going to be able to hold. So this may be the point where I get out for the day and lock in my 5% profit. Bitcoin, 1850. We're gonna sell 10 here at market. There we go. Sold half up there. Beginning to sell off even more aggressively than it was. Now it could just come back down, retest, and push higher. That's why I only sold half. I'm gonna take a look at other trades. What's XPEV doing? XPEV looking good. Up a 0.5% point. LUNR not doing much, but still showing signs of progress. That's what we want to see here. I'm gonna get one just to get in. Start a position after this little bounce here. This is over $1 now. I wonder if it'll let me just buy 5. Wow, it really did. Okay. Okay. There we go. OCGN. Lunar. Mara. Holding ground at $18. We are up on the day. Not too bad. Days realized already $8. Alright, testing 18 again. LUNR, XPEV, and Oxygen. So those are the trades that we're playing today. Sorry it's loud, I don't know what's going on with the mic. It's like picking up some kind of weird static. Where's everybody at? Up 2.5%. We're up 5% earlier. Locked in some profits up at the 5% mark. Gonna get a retest on that SMA. Looks like we may get a retest. There we go, retesting. Stuck at 18. Nope, doesn't look like it's gonna happen. Still up though, still a green day. Not bad. Not as much as we would have liked, but still green. Alright, well I'm excited to do a market recap with you guys, so look out for that this afternoon. This week has a lot of earnings releases from some big companies. These should be some market movers or market makers, most definitely. So stick around, check out that recap video, consider subscribing to the channel, and don't forget to check out our Discord. Link is in the description below. It's 100% free, and you can get together with other like-minded individuals such as yourself that want to learn how to make money in the stock market. So appreciate you guys' time. Like always, remember, let's end the year on a green note, and we will see you in the next video.